It's not difficult for God to announce a man. Are you willing to pay the price of purity? Many of us can pray, but when you see anything under skirts, that's why a man will rise. After a while, he will go down. Immorality. Iniquity. He's a prayer warrior, but he has not tamed lust. That's why I encourage young ministers, go and marry. Don't be speaking in tongues. Go and marry. There are realms you can't enter until you marry. Because when you close the area of other women, nothing can stop you. Are you married? What are you waiting for? Are you not the bulldozer? What are you waiting for? Apostle didn't enter certain realms until this beautiful woman entered his life. That your bulldozer cannot bulldoze some territories until a woman enters. I give you 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. Shall power what are you waiting for? Very soon, very soon, very soon. I won't give you 1 year, but very soon. The energy you carry needs a man. Until you do you know that Deborah was Deborah because she was the wife of Lapidot? She judged Israel, but they had to mention her husband. By the time you pass the test of submission to a man, you can pass it to God. Then when God sees that authentic submission, he releases another level.